Okay. So time to see what this sounds like driving. So you gonna do valves open? Let's see what she's got.
Valves open.
All right, cool.
I think everybody knows what it sounds like closed.
Yeah, pretty quiet.
It's quiet. So
yeah, open. All right, let's go. So that is it for the new BMW M5 Valvetronic exhaust. If you guys want to see more BMW content, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.